Hello everyone, I am Cathy. I'm a dietitian at the Pella Regional Health Center. Welcome again. I'm going to show you today a quick, easy, healthy recipe, a teriyaki salmon veggie stir fry. Okay, so I have all my ingredients all ready to go. I have a pound of salmon that I cut up. I peeled the skin off and then it's all cut up and ready to go. I have my veggies. I use broccoli, carrots, and some peppers. You can also use green beans, cauliflower, if you want to use green peppers. So there's a lot of different options there that you can use for your veggies. So the first thing that I'm going to do is mix up my marinade for my salmon. So I have low sodium soy sauce, water, and some vinegar. You want to use the low sodium soy sauce so that you get less salt. That is a pretty salty product, and you want to go with the low salt then to keep it heart healthy. Next, I'm going to add some minced garlic. Garlic also is a nice heart healthy ingredient, lots of flavor. Some honey, just to give it just a little bit of sweetness. And then I have my spices. I have cayenne, I have black pepper, a little bit of cornstarch, and some ginger. Everything's been all measured out, and you'll see that on the recipe there at the end. So now I'm going to whisk this all together. Making your own sauce or a marinade for a stir fry is a better option. Everything that you would buy in the store already pre-packaged will have a lot of sodium. This way you can control the amount and still give a lot of flavor. So I'm going to add my salmon into my marinade. Give it a little stir to get it all coated. All right, let that sit for just a bit. Now I'm going to move over to the stove. I have 2 skillets here. I have a tablespoon of olive oil in each one. I'm going to start cooking the vegetables. With these vegetables, you can buy them already sliced and diced if you want. That's what I did with the carrots. Or you can buy a carrot and slice it yourself. So stir that around. The vegetables are going to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or so. You don't want them to turn soggy, but you just want them to be a nice crisp tender. Now I'm going to add the salmon. It also has some olive oil in the skillet to prevent it sticking. You want to be careful that you don't stir the salmon too much, otherwise it will flake and become smaller pieces, which is still fine. So we're just going to let those sit for just a little bit and cook. All right, so the veggies now are done. The salmon is done. Now we just got to plate it up for your meal. I also prepared some brown rice for this meal that completes it. Stir fries are nice also because you can vary the quantity. If you have a bigger family, you just double the recipe or triple it. If there's only 2 of you at home, then you just cut back. All right, well this is a teriyaki salmon veggie stir fry. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.